Hi there. Today we are going to take these panels off of our van and we're going to put some insulation behind them because it's a big open space there, and we're also going to put some rattle trap on. Rattle trap is this stuff that we've been putting all over the van here. It kind of adds density to the big body panel so it doesn't vibrate so much and make lots of noise. I'm going to show you how to get this off, but first we'll start with the clips here. So this is one of the clips that holds these panels on, and what we need to do is pull this center part out so that the part that's inside the van can compress and pull the whole piece out. And the way we do that is we have these plastic body trim panel tools. We'll link to those in the description below. And basically we're just going to slip it under there like that, pull that thing out, and then get under this piece and pull the whole thing out of the van. So get under there, wedge that out a little bit, get under the other part there, and it comes right out. Okay, to get this piece off, first you have to pull this trim piece, and it's got little clips that hold it to the piece in the back, and they're very delicate. We got 3 of them off already, but basically, again, with this body trim panel tool, you just gently pull it away like that. Just kind of work it under there and gently unsnap these. And there it is. So once this is off, now we can take this whole piece of paneling off.
So we've already put rattle trap on the driver's side of the door, as you can see here, but it looks like there's already the factory rattle trap that they put in this side of the door. So now all we need to do is just fill it full of insulation. This is the insulation that we're using. It's Havelock wool, and we'll put a link in the description so you can check this stuff out. It's really fun to work with. It's super easy, and if you get a really good pair of scissors, it cuts really nice. So we're going to put this in the spaces in the back of the van here, in the doors. I just eyeballed this. I don't think this stuff sheds, but it does have these little flying fibers, so you want to be aware of that. They go all over the place. Maybe wear glasses, wear some safety glasses. So that actually took a lot more sheets of wool than we thought, because you have to go up in the channels and stuff. So all of this, and all the way down this side too, and back in on this side, took it filled up. Okay, so here's the panel going back on. So putting it on is just the reverse of taking it off. So you don't have to use a tool though, you just can punch it in with your finger, with your thumb, and then it's back on. Super easy.
So putting this back together, we want to remember to put the panel on first. So it's going to go just like that. And then we'll put this piece back on. So just line it up. And then gently just press it back into place. And that's all back together. So we're having so much fun with this, we decided to take this panel off our sliding door as well, and we're going to put insulation in here now.
I just love the way this stuff smells. Smells like you're in a barn.
And just like that, this project's done. So if you like this video, as always, give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future. Till next time, bye-bye.